Hallo julle mooi mense, my naam is Lef Sleeve en ek het die voorreg om 1 November in NG Blanco se kerksaal in George saam met julle 'n damesoggendtee te deel. Ons gaan 'n bietjie vir mekaar fairy tales vertel en dan so 'n klein bietjie meer van my storie vertel en ons gaan net lekker saam kuier. Jy kan jou kaartjies by Jelani kry of op Quicket. So boek jou kaartjie vandag. Ek sien uit om bietjie saam met jou stories te vertel.
Left sleeve.
Well, that handle.
Yeah, so obviously the sleeve part's pretty easy. Prior to having left sleeve as a handle, I had a page called Hoys, Hoys, called Heart in Your Sleeve. So I took the sleeve part because I wear my heart on my sleeve. The left part is actually something in my life that was my biggest burden. So when my mom was 8 months pregnant with me, she had my 2 sisters in the car, and she had a blackout, and she drove underneath the truck. So they passed away, and I got hit on the steering wheel on the left side of my head. So I have brain damage on my left side. So my right side is my fountain of youth. It'll never get older than 12 years old, so it'll outlive me. But at school, I got bullied for that a lot because I was this crippled guy. At school, I got operations from the age of 6 to 15, and you were always on crutches or recovering. And it was this thing that I just wished I could be like everybody else. Why not? Because when it came to sport, I had pretty good hand-eye coordination, but I couldn't keep up. So I was always behind, and it was like, why am I like this? And it was only when I got to rehab and realized I made it alive to rehab, that if I was an able body and I was that had the ego that I already had multiplied by the fact being an able body, I would have died.
Sure.
So my right side saved my life. So the left side's mission in life is to protect the gift. So I made it left sleeve.